In one of my recent videos, I talked about how you can claim MELD airdrop. Now, MELD is a layer 1 blockchain who is launching its MELD 5 airdrop process. Now, again, you can claim MELD token by following certain steps which I have explained in my previous video. You can watch that video right here and complete the steps to be eligible to receive the MELD airdrops. Now, in this video, I will share after receiving the early access code what kind of email that you are going to receive and what are the next steps being shared by the MELD team that you need to follow to continue with the process. So let's start the video. Now before I get into the details, remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And also, if you are someone looking for the right crypto community to grow your knowledge and stay updated, do check out the link shared in the description of this video and join our Telegram community. It will help you grow and expand your knowledge in the crypto space. Now let's start with this video. Now this is MELD token. It is trading at around 0.027. Now MELD is nothing but a layer 1 blockchain and a DeFi protocol for Web3 finance. It is providing cross-chain lending, borrowing and staking with integrated fiat banking by MELD 5. So this is about the main service that it is targeting, which is MELD 5, MELD own DeFi protocol. This protocol has announced its airdrop process, which I talked about in my recent video. You can watch this video and learn all the details. I will share all the links in the description of this video, how you can participate and what are the steps that you need to follow. Now after you participate in the airdrop, you need to fill this form which is of early access pass, and once you enter this, you need to apply now, and once you click on apply now, you need to enter your email address, password and create your ID here, and you will have to wait for some time to get shortlisted by the team. Now the thing is that not everyone is going to get shortlisted, but how do you know that you are shortlisted? So they will send you an email confirmation, and that is what I am going to share with you. If you have followed the steps and participated, this is the email that you are going to receive. This is by MELD.fi, and this email states that welcome to MELD Finance. We are thrilled to confirm that you are one of the first 10,000 individuals to successfully register for MELD Finance. So again, they are saying congratulations, but this is the main part. This is an email confirmation that you have been accepted to the MELD.fi waitlist and will be the first to receive your early access code. Now the final saying is you will be among the first to champion and explore MELD.fi cutting edge features and experience the true potential of DeFi. So this is the kind of confirmation mail that you will receive once you are shortlisted or on the wait list for receiving the MELD token. Of course, they are going to share another email in which they will explain the further steps. So if you get this email, you are shortlisted, and if you haven't participated yet, it is still time to participate in the MELD airdrop. Remember to watch my previous video and follow all the steps to receive the MELD tokens airdrop. So this is about the token airdrop. Of course, if you have received this email, congratulations to you. If you haven't, just wait for some time. You may receive it soon, but I believe the first 10,000 users or the participant have received their email already, and it is still ongoing. So this is the detail that I want to share with you. Remember to subscribe and press the bell icon to watch the updated video which can come anytime after this step. So with that, I complete my video. I wish you good luck for the MELD airdrop and other token airdrop like Velar and Ethermail. Do watch the video shared on the end screen. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, make money and be happy. Thank you.